Again, event schedulers are event planning module, and that's where you're going to be able to get your calendar going for your team. So let's just start there and look at the internal calendar that is included with Event Scheduler. Now that's going to show you all of your events that have been input into Event Scheduler. They've been approved by an admin. The green ones that you see on here are ready to go. They've been given the green light of approval by your admins and any other sub-admins that are in place, and they're just ready to go. You're also going to be able to see some indicators. You're going to have the ability to categorize your events. That's going to give you an easy way to filter events by categories. And typically categories are used for ministerial departments, or to classify your events into church-wide events or maybe student events. It's just going to give you a very easy tool to filter events right away, see who's doing what. You can even add categories for holidays. I've got one here called a Christmas category, church-wide event, and discipleship. You can add more than one category. It's a great tool to classify your events, get those organized so you can filter your calendars and pull reports if that's going to be helpful to you. So this is your internal calendar. If you have eSPACE, anyone that can log into eSPACE can see this calendar. We have a range of permissions. They range from calendar view only, so someone can log in and then view the calendar and they don't view anything else. They can't edit anything, right up to a user that can create events, submit those for approval, and then your admins and sub-admins. So no matter the range of user roles in Event Scheduler, they're going to be able to view this calendar, keep everybody on the same page, right? There's no more going back and forth, asking what's going on. You can integrate this right with your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar. We have a lot of churches and schools that are still using that as a tool to keep everybody on the same page. You can direct feed this information right to those calendars if you need to. One way, it's going to feed it right from Event Scheduler to your external calendar. Super helpful. Hello, there went how many hours in duplicate entry. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of the duplicate entry. Okay, so that's one of the very cool things Event Scheduler can do for you. You're also going to be able to tell some details about your events. I'm hovering over this Christmas program event right now so I can see when it starts, the dates that it's happening. The little arrows are going to tell me that it's happening more than once. The video camera lets me know I've got some resources included in that, and then some services too. We have the ability for you to reserve spaces where your event happens, resources, those movable objects like tables and chairs, and then services, anything that requires that human level of support, tech support, childcare coordination, food services coordination. I had someone tell me today that every time a tech person is needed for their event, they have to pick up the phone and call that tech person and see if they can handle the event. And the tech person has to go check their records. And there's just this lengthy string of communication. Guys, we can get rid of that with Event Scheduler, and you can pull all those people right into the event. They have the information they need at the ready when they're in Event Scheduler, and it's just going to eliminate so much time back and forth, opportunities for missed communication. It's going to eliminate all that. So Event Scheduler is going to help you do that.